Hiya, it's Alex again. I'm being kind of quiet today because it's 11:31 in the morning. It's kind of late, but you know, there's still people probably sleeping. Um, so yeah, I'm just laying in my bed, all comfy because my feet are cold. My hands are cold too. They're freezing, mainly because I've been typing up a term paper on sociology, so I'm just, so my hands have been out in the cold. Ah, yeah. But my cat is just like chilling right there. She's glaring at me right now. um, she's been like that all night too. Pretty weird. I have no idea what to talk about right now. I'm just gonna make this a super short video about my cat. Yeah, the internet loves cats, guys. So, yeah, just feel free to look at my super awesome cat named Shadow. Because, seriously, she's like really black, and you'll never see her ever. What's she doing? What's she doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you glaring at me? Seriously. She's like really pissed at me. I don't even know why. Meow. Okay. Bye. Okay, well, I guess that's all there's gonna be today. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and hopefully you'll see me again on Monday. Bye.